Namaskar, Salam, Sat Sri Akal, and a very good evening. How is everyone? Okay, today we shall be knowing about our Earth in the solar system. And to know about our Earth in the solar system, we shall first know about the Milky Way, because the solar system is a part of the Milky Way, and the Milky Way is still a part of a greater cluster of stars, and that means we should start with the whole universe. तो आइए पहले शुरुआत करते हैं ट्विंकल ट्विंकल लिटिल स्टार. You learnt about the stars in your nursery class. They twinkle, they attract you at the night sky. So let me take you to the universe. Boys and girls, knowing about the stars, if you look at the sky on a clear night, you will see a large number of bodies twinkle or shining with steady light. The bodies which twinkle in the sky are called stars. Boys and girls, since the ancient people called the space heaven, so the bodies in the space are called heavenly bodies or celestial bodies. The sun, the moon, the stars are all heavenly bodies. And do you know the science which we have studied, we have started studying? What is this science called? I mean, the science of studying the stars, the planets, and other heavenly bodies. What do you call it? Yes, the science of studying stars, planets, and other heavenly bodies is known as astronomy. So, how many of you want to be astronomers? For all those who want to be astronomers, you will have to learn about all the heavenly bodies. So let's know more about our universe, and to know more about our universe, we should all know that stars are huge body of glowing gases. The sun is also a star, but it shines during the day, and the stars have their own light and heat. If you observe the sky, and you will see the stars changing their colors. Some stars look yellow like our sun. Some of them glow blue or red. The stars we see at night are a mixture of nearby stars that are fairly dim, and the distant stars that are very bright. The color of a star depends on its temperature and size. Stars appear to twinkle because when we see them from the Earth's surface, we are viewing them through the thick layers of moving air in the atmosphere. And because of the refraction of the light, we see them twinkling. The fact of the matter is, if we go out of the atmosphere and see them, then they won't appear twinkling to us. They are far, far away from us. They are so far that the unit of distance is called a light year, and it is used to measure the distance of the stars. Let's first know about some groups of stars. Let's know about the constellations and galaxies. A group of stars forming an interesting pattern is called a constellation. Saptarishi is one of the groups of 7 stars. It forms a part of constellations. Apart from Saptarishi, Big Bear, also called Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, Orion, Leo are other examples of constellations. Let's know something about the galaxies. Boys and girls, these are millions of big and small stars. They are not uniformly distributed in the universe, but are collected in large and small clusters. A cluster of stars is called a galaxy. You can see here some of the images of some galaxies. And boys and us, let me tell you, the stars in some galaxies are so close that they look like a white glowing path. This path is known as the Milky Way. The sun is the member of the Milky Way. हिंदी में इसको बोलते हैं आकाश गंगा. It is spiral. It is spiral in shape. And do you know that our solar system, the family of our sun and 8 big members of the family, the planets, and apart from these planets, the satellites, the asteroids, and many other bodies are the part of sun's family. So far we have understood that there are millions and millions of stars in one galaxy. There are millions and millions of galaxies, and our solar system is part of the Akash Ganga, the Milky Way galaxy, and our solar system has got 8 planets. Out of these 8 planets, the first one being Mercury, second one Venus, then the Earth, Mars, the first 4, the inner 4. These are the first 4. These are known as the inner planets. Then the next 4, the Jupiter, the Saturn, the Uranus, and the Neptune, they are known as the outer planets. The largest in our solar system is the Jupiter, and the smallest in our solar system is the Mercury. Venus is the hottest planet. Venus is the brightest planet, and it is known as the morning star or the evening star. ये बड़ी अजीब सी बात आपको लगती होगी कि Venus is called a morning star or evening star although it is a planet. बच्चों, our Earth is known as the blue planet, It looks blue when seen from the outside from the atmosphere, and the mass is known as the red planet. The Mercury takes only 88 days to complete one round along its orbit around the Sun, and the farthest planet, that is Neptune, it takes 60,188 days to complete one revolution. Our Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution around the Sun. Each planet, besides revolving around the Sun, rotates on its own axis, except Venus and Uranus. All the planets rotate in the same direction as they revolve around the Sun. Mercury takes 88 days and Neptune takes 15 hours and 40 minutes for one rotation. Our Earth, as you know, takes 23 hours, 56 minutes and 56 seconds to rotate once about its axis. This rotation causes day and night. Our Earth is a unique planet, as you all know. It has got all the conditions which are required for the life. So this is what we were required to study about the solar system, and now keep revising. We will have a test tomorrow. Till then, it's goodbye from Social Studies desk. Thank you.